Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you on how to get instant quotes with Allstate. This process is straightforward and can save you time while ensuring you find the coverage that fits your needs. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. Step 1. Visit the Allstate website. Start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Allstate official website at www.allstate.com. This is where you'll find all the information you need to get started. Step 2. Click on Get a Quote. Once on the homepage, look for the Get a Quote button. This is usually prominently displayed, making it easy to find. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Select your insurance type. Allstate provides various types of insurance, including auto, home, renters, and more. Select the type of insurance for which you want a quote. For this guide, we'll focus on auto insurance as an example. Step 4. Enter your information. You will be prompted to fill out a form with relevant information. This typically includes your name, address, date of birth, and details about your vehicle, make, model, year, mileage, etc. Ensure that all information is accurate to receive the most accurate quote. Step 5. Customize your coverage. After entering your information, you'll have the option to customize your coverage. You can choose the amount of liability, collision, comprehensive, and other coverage options based on your preferences and budget. Take your time to review the different levels of coverage available. Step 6. Review your quote. Once you've customized your coverage, click on Get Your Quote. Allstate will generate a quote based on the information provided. Review the quote carefully, as it will show the premiums for different coverage levels and any discounts for which you may qualify. Step 7. Save or request more information. If you're satisfied with the quote, you can save it for future reference or contact an Allstate agent for more details. If you have questions or need assistance, there's usually an option to chat with a representative or request a callback. Step 8. Finalize your policy. If you're ready to proceed, you can start the process of finalizing your policy online. You'll need to provide additional documentation and make the first premium payment to activate your insurance. That's it. You now know how to get instant quotes with Allstate. It's quick and efficient, allowing you to compare options easily. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful tips and guides.